Good morning students. Today we will learn about adverbs and its types. So what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies or gives us more information about a verb in a sentence. An adverb adds something more to the meaning of a verb. Adverbs are placed in particular position according to their function in a sentence. Example, she is singing a song. S means subject, HV that means helping verb, NV means main verb and ing is added to the main verb and rest of the things are object. Number 2 example is she is singing a song loudly and the word loudly is the adverb. Loudly is the adverb. The adverb loudly in the second sentence modifies the verb sing by giving us more information that the song is sung with a loud voice. Such a word is called an adverb. Adverb modifies a verb by giving us information about the following aspects of a verb: how an action occurs, where an action occurs, when an action occurs, how often an action occurs. Depending on the above aspects of modification, the adverbs have following types: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, and adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of manner means how an action is done. Examples are angrily, happily, easily, etc. Adverbs of place means where an action is done. Examples near, there, here, etc. Adverbs of time means when an action is done. For examples, yesterday, now, then, etc. Adverbs of frequency means how many times an action is done. Examples are often, sometimes, seldom, daily, etc. Now we'll read about or learn about adverbs of manner. The adverbs which tell us how an action is done are called adverbs of manner. Examples: the ice cream melts quickly. Melts is the main verb and quickly is the adverb. Number 2. The cheetah runs fast. Runs is the verb and first is the adverb. If we ask the verb by using how, the answer we will get will be the adverbs of manner. So adverbs of manner tells us the manner or the way in which something happens. Now come to the adverbs of place. The adverbs that talk about where an action is done are called adverbs of place. Examples are we live here, we live on this island. So here and on this island is the adverbs of place. If we ask the verb by using where, the answer will be the adverbs of place. So adverbs of place tells us the place where something happens. Now come to the adverbs of time. The adverbs that talk about when an action is done are called adverbs of time. Examples are I will come home in the evening. Number 2, they will come tomorrow. So in the evening and tomorrow are denoting the adverbs of time. If we ask the verb by using when, the answer we will get will be the adverb of time. So adverbs of time tells us something about the time that something happens. Okay. Now come to the adverbs of frequency. The adverbs that tells us how many times something happens or does not happen are called adverbs of frequency. Examples are it rains often in Sri Lanka. So often is the adverb and it is denoting the adverbs of frequency. Number 2 example is but it never snows there. Never is the adverb. If we ask the verb by using how many times, the answer will be the adverbs of frequency. So adverbs of frequency tells about how often or how many times an action occurs. Okay.